how to align the laser on the dedicated RustOff or the versatile. Same procedure for both. Switch on, cover the nozzle with masking tape so you can see the red dot. If the red dot is not in the center, remove the cover for the motors. You access this screw and the top one here. Loosen slightly until you can adjust your motor left or right. Same with the y-axis to centralize your red dot, your laser, to avoid unnecessary burning of lenses. If the dot is in the middle, properly secure the motor again and close the cover.